Are you tired of remembering numerous passwords? Or perhaps you've experienced the frustration of forgetting one and being locked out of your account? Well, it seems like passwords are becoming a thing of the past. Welcome to the era of passkeys. Passkeys are revolutionizing the way we secure our digital identities. Instead of relying on a password, which can be easily compromised, passkeys employ the robust and reliable mechanism of public key cryptography to authenticate your identity. Imagine this: your identity being linked to a unique cryptographic key pair, existing solely on your device. The private key remains securely on your device, while the public key is safely stored on the website's server. This setup boosts security, making it nearly impossible for anyone to steal your identity. And how does the login process work with passkeys? Quite seamlessly. Your device uses the private key to authenticate your identity with the public key, effectively preventing phishing, eliminating the risk of password reuse across sites, and terminating the threat of password database breaches. But how do passkeys compare to traditional passwords? When we use passwords, we often end up reusing the same combination of letters, numbers, and symbols across multiple websites. This leaves us vulnerable to phishing and password database breaches. On the other hand, passkeys offer a robust defense against these threats. Each website gets its unique keys, making reuse impossible. The private keys never leave your device, thereby preventing phishing. And only the public keys are stored on servers, eliminating the risk of database breaches. The process of registering and logging in with passkeys is a breeze. To register, all you need to do is scan a QR code or give your device a quick tap to approve the passkey. This action generates your secure key pair. To log in, just scan the QR code or tap your device again. Your identity is instantly verified in the background. Once set up, your passkeys will sync seamlessly across all your devices, whether they're Apple, Android, Windows, or others. And with biometric features like face recognition or fingerprint scans, the approval process becomes effortless. Renowned technology providers, including Google, Microsoft, Apple, and Mozilla, are already supporting passkeys. The FIDO Alliance and W3C standards groups have developed an open passkey specification that works universally. It's high time to make the transition. Leave behind the vulnerabilities of passwords and embrace the convenience and uncompromising security of passkeys, the login solution of the future.